What's up, online shoppers? I've been doing my research and I am super excited that my new skin scrubber has just arrived. So let's open it up, see what it's inside, and I'll tell you about everything I've learned about this awesome little machine and why you're gonna want one too. This is a facial spatula, and what it does is it helps with skincare, absorbing moisture, working in your skin, serums and things like that, and also helping to lift blackheads and restore circulation to your skin and help to clean off the gunk of the day. Let's take it out of the box. There it is. Now it comes in a couple different colors. This one here is the white one. There it is, just this tiny little machine, but it's very powerful. And then underneath in the box here, we have the manual, which is pretty awesome. I'm just gonna stick that right here. Charging cord right there. Also the two little silicone heads. Now I'm just gonna show you, they have two different textures. One side is all little nubs and bumps, and one side are these ridges. Now these are so useful, and the reason you use these is to actually work in your cleanser. I'm just going to take this little sticky plastic thing on here to keep it nice and fresh for you. That's how you know it hasn't been used also. Peel this off. So there is the little spatula right there. You can see that it has a bit of a curve to it. That's because there are different uses for it depending on which way you have this little curve going, which is kind of cool. Let's say that we are cleaning our skin. So I'm gonna slip on one of these little silicone covers over top of the spatula, and I can use this or this to really like work in my moisturizer or my cleaner. The power button is right there, as are the indicators for the 4 different modes that you have. So there's like a cleaning mode, a lifting mode, an ion plus, and an ion negative. So it takes 5-second push on this button to turn it on. So now it's powered up, and every time you push one of these buttons, it is going to move it to a different cleaning mode. You can see the little light indicator moves. I can feel like a slight vibration on my skin, and you can put a little bit of your cleanser here and then just use it to work in the soap or the toner and really get absorption. As well, the silicone nubs and the ridges are going to be great for helping to just like really work in your cleanser, and I like that. Now, once you've done that, you can actually take this little silicone off and you can use this, put it along your face just like this. When you use this, your skin should either be damp, like with water, or with a moisturizer cleanser of some sort. It does have a 5-minute auto off so that you don't overuse it. And it does have a really great battery life on it as well. It's going to last a long time before you have to recharge it. Now they say when you are doing the clean motion, you shouldn't use it for more than a minute. Now if you're moving on to the Ion Plus, so we'll push that button like that. Move it to Ion Plus. You see how the light is kind of pulsing? Well, it's actually also pulsing on here. In the instruction manual, it talks about whether or not you use it with the logo in or the logo out. So when you have it on the Ion Plus, you're supposed to use it with the logo facing in towards you. And you're going to use this to just like shovel at a 45-degree angle and just clear all of the buildup and oil and sebaceous filaments off your nose and things like that. That's what you're going to use this for. This is going to help you to really deep clean, get that facial cleanser and toner to really work well. On this function, you're going to want to use the machine for somewhere between 3 to 5 minutes. If we're talking about the other functions, we press the button one more time. That's going to bring it to a steady state, and that's the Ion Plus. When you're doing the Ion Plus, you're supposed to actually use with the logo facing outwards. So you're doing this, and you're using to kind of like lift like that. And this is going to help really get any of the oils and things that are on your skin off. And then one more press is the Ion Negative. You can see that bottom light is lit up. Serums and creams that I put on. Have one of those sheet masks that you put on your face. You can actually put that on your face and use this to massage everything all over and just help it really stimulate the circulation in your face and help everything to absorb, get in there and make your face all dewy and moisturized and plumped. So if you are looking for a multifunctional face scrubber or face spatula, this is an all-in-one tool that you want to have in your toolkit. Mini enough to tuck in any overnight bag, doesn't take up a lot of space. It's got this really great cover for keeping everything feeling nice and clean when you're not using it. You've got these two great little silicone scrubber pads for really working that serum or that cleanser or toner into your skin. And the high vibrations really turn the water into steam so that it gets into all your pores and really helps to superpower your cleaning. Now, the reason I really wanted it was to get rid of all the buildup of blackheads and oil around my nose, and it is super helpful for that. I can't wait to put this to use. As they say with most things, consistency is what wins. So I'm gonna go start using this and I will document my journey, but I am pretty excited by this awesome little face spatula and scrubber. I think it's gonna be a family favorite at my house.